Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a revised return in Computax. First, open the relevant party's return in your Computax software. Next, find and click the Create Revised Return or Rectification under Section 154 button. If available, import pre-filled data from the Income Tax portal to ensure all existing information is accurate. Finally, select the specific reason for filing this revised return from the provided options. Now, it's time to make the necessary corrections. Carefully identify and update any incorrect income or deduction figures in the relevant sections. If you've received an intimation from the Central Processing Center, enter those details into the software. It is crucial to ensure all financial data accurately reflects the corrected information. Take your time to review all schedules and forms for complete consistency. After making corrections, if a new tax liability arises, you must generate and pay the additional tax challan. Ensure you accurately enter all challan payment details into your Computax software. This step is vital for a successful submission. Next, thoroughly review the updated computation and the entire income tax return form. Confirm that the revised tax liability or refund amount is precisely correct before proceeding. For the final step, create the e-return file, which is usually in XML or JSON format, directly from Computax. Then, upload this generated revised return file to the Income Tax Department's official portal. Complete the submission process by authenticating with your Aadhaar OTP or a valid digital signature. Finally, remember to download and securely save the acknowledgement for your future records and reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.